Hello, for this video, I'll be presenting when to use one-tail or two-tail t-test. Now, before going to the different types and yung computation of t-test natin, we need to craft our own hypothesis, then illustrate it through your distribution curve if we are doing the technical aspect. And as well, may I emphasize again that your hypothesis, when you craft your hypothesis, nakadependent siya dun sa pinili mong curve. Either it's one-tailed or two-tailed t-test. So technically, we have two types, so one-tailed and two-tailed, no? So, kailan ginagamit yung one-tail? Okay, the usage is, Okay, the usage of one-tailed t-test is if you have a specific prediction about the direction of the difference. So, for instance, you have an assumption that males excel, or rather females excel higher than males. So, one-tail siya, no? Yung term doon is direction, no? More than, lower than, higher than, greater than, one-tail siya. Kasi when you try to check the distribution curve, kunyari this is lower, yung lower nandito dapat yung ano natin, no? Null hypothesis na, I'm talking about the null hypothesis. Or simply pag nag-hypothesis, nagka-craft na tayo na hypothesis. So, nandito yung ating lower, nandito din yung higher. So, iisa lang yung critical value natin. Kung saan nagpo-fall under yung margin of error natin or yung alpha level natin. So, examples would again be lower than, higher than, squad B is innocent, no? So, when we talk about innocent or squad B is guilty, so technically, ano din siya, one-tailed, no? So, another example again, chickens are not tastier than turtles. So, negative affirmative siya. That is considered also as na hypothesis, one-tailed din siya. So, ito dapat nandito siya, no? Dito, part siya ng usage. So, greater than, equal than, lower, higher. There's a direction, one direction to be exact. Now, kailan natin ginagamit yung two-tailed? Now, madalas natin ginagamit ang two-tailed when we do research. So, technically, you must set in your mind that we always do two-tailed. So, usage niyan is non-directional. Hindi siya pataas, hindi din siya pababa. Rather, we're looking into the equality of values. Equality or difference of values. So, technically, when we craft already our hypothesis in a two-tailed, very different pagdating dito. Simply, our HO would now be no significant difference. So, pantay-pantay lang, equal. Then, pag null hypothesis, there's a significant difference. Males, females, squad A, squad B, no? So, equality. So, please take note in researches, common na na-observe and nagagamit ng mga researchers will always be two-tailed. So, we always use no significant difference or there's a significant difference.